Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF file into a JPG image on your computer. This method works using the built-in tools in Windows 11, so you do not need to install any additional software. Let's begin step by step. First, locate the PDF file on your computer. Double-click the file to open it. Most computers open PDF files using Microsoft Edge. Once the PDF file is open, go to the page you want to convert into an image. Now press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This will open the snipping tool. Select the rectangular snip option and drag your mouse over the PDF page to capture it. The screenshot will now be copied to the clipboard. Open Paint by searching for it in the Start menu. Press Ctrl plus V to paste the screenshot. Now click File, then Save As, and choose JPG Picture. Select the location where you want to save the image and click Save. Your PDF page is now saved as a JPG image. And that's how you convert a PDF to JPG easily in Windows.